Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my mobile app and game tests. Today I'm checking out something that's been circulating online. People are claiming there's a way to get extra diamonds in Bigo Live without using a PC and without rooting or jailbreaking your device. I wasn't sure if it actually works, so I decided to test it myself and see what happens step by step. I'll show you exactly what I did, what I noticed, and whether anything actually changed on my account. Let's jump right in. The first thing I needed was my user ID, so I opened Bigo Live and went straight to my profile. I found the ID, copied it, and saved it, so I wouldn't have to keep switching between the app and my browser later. It only took a couple of seconds, and then I was ready for the next step. After that, I opened my browser and went to the website that people had been sharing online. The site listed a bunch of different apps and games, so I searched for Bigo Live and selected it from the results. Everything looked clean and easy to navigate. I didn't run into any random pop-ups or confusing menus, so I just followed the steps and continued with the test. Once I was on the page, there was a short form to fill. I picked my platform, iOS or Android, I'm on Android, and pasted in that player ID I saved. I double-checked it, hit connect, and it linked up with my account in just a few seconds. I'll be honest, I was a bit skeptical, but the page seemed to be using secure connections, so I rolled with it. Once it connected, it showed me different amounts of resources I could add. I picked the one that felt right for my account and pressed the generate button. From there, I just let the system do its thing in the background. Apparently, it routes through different servers and all that technical stuff. Right before the resources were supposed to land, there was a quick verification pop-up. They said it's there to stop bots from abusing the system, which honestly makes sense. It was simple. Just needed me to grab a free app from the official store and complete a tiny task inside it. They even had a short guide if you get confused. Took maybe 5 minutes. A little extra work, but nothing painful. Now it was time to see the result. After everything was finished, I reopened Bigo Live and checked my diamonds balance. The result showed up right away without any extra steps or waiting around, which honestly caught me off guard. I wasn't fully sure what to expect going into this, but that's how it played out on my side. So that's the full test from start to finish. You've seen exactly what I did, and now you can decide for yourself what you think. If you've ever come across something like this before, drop a comment and share your experience. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more mobile app and game tests. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.